Everything else on this tailgate needs replacement.
We'll cut from here to here and weld in new steel.
He paid $800. The tool is prepared.
The door gaps are consistent. Push rods are straight down, no wear. The tank is clean. The lines are new. Let's check everything. It took a lot of work, but the old girl is finally finished. 98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage. All right, everyone, this is the Mackenzie Willys 1941 MB. Been in this barn since 1978.
The cracks are structural, not just cosmetic. This wheel needs to be replaced. But we'll find a reproduction. The new wheel will look identical.
The frame is solid but needs de-rusting. The upholstery is completely shot, we'll need new canvas and foam. Nothing is salvageable except the skeleton.
The core is blocked, not surprising. The top tank is leaking at the seam. She'll need a recore or a
The mount is good, we can use it. Everything else on this tailgate needs replacement, the tire, the cover, the hardware. But the structure...
This is where the rail needs to be cut. The metal here is gone, it's just rust held together by hope. We'll cut from here to here and weld in new steel.
For the Willys, always keep these close. These are the tools his grandfather used. They're still here.
60 years of salt air. It's all here, every molecule.
The tray is gone. There's nothing here to salvage. We'll need to fabricate a new one.
This is the original plate, it's never been removed. This vehicle is a matching numbers example. The engine and chassis belong together. That's rare.
This is where the salt started. It came in through here, water, then salt, then corrosion. The rest of the floor is weak around.
Full replacement. The springs are dead, the bushings are gone, and the shackles are seized. We'll need to replace everything. The axles are sound, we can keep those.
June 22, 1961. Took the kids to the... That's my father. 1942. The day he brought it home from the surplus auction. He paid $800. October 9, 1953. First day I let my son drive alone. He was 6.
The block is intact, but I can tell you this, the engine is worth saving. This is a matching numbers Go Devil. We rebuild it. Front axle is secure. We'll do the rear axle next, and then we're ready to roll. Keep it coming slow, Marcus. Easy now. Copy that, Dan. Watching the alignment, Jimmy. That looks good back. The gap is off by 3 millimeters. That could be frame twist, or it could be the hood.
The rails are square, 62.5 inches at the front, 62.5 at the rear. That's good news. The frame isn't twisted, it's just rusted. We can fix.
This is the damage. This is what we fix. Everything is here. We've got the 3/8 inch and a 1/2 inch drive sets, the correct sockets for the Willys hardware, and everything we need for the disassembly.
Good, we'll need all of it. This is a full disassembly.
The coolant is drained. It's mostly water and rust. The radiator is coming out for a
Hood is off. Set it aside with the fenders.
This is the sound side of the frame. We can lift from here safely.
The assessment was correct. This section needs to be replaced. The rest of the frame is sound. We have a clear...
98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
The tool is prepared. We're moving on to the frame rail.
First cut. The rust is coming out. First cut. The rust is coming out.
The rust is out. The section is gone. Now we weld in new steel.
The new steel is ready. It matches the original thickness, 3/16 inch. We'll weld it in. The welder is set. 18 volts, 0.8 millimeter wire, 7525 argon CO2 gas. Ready to weld.
The first weld. The new steel is becoming part of the frame. The weld is solid. No porosity, no cracks. The frame is strong.
The sill section is out. The rust was deep here. Now we can replace it completely. The sill is in. The structure is being restored.
The floor pan is ready. The pinhole is repaired, and the surrounding metal is solid.
The patch is welded. The wheel arch is solid again.
The weld is ground smooth. The repair is invisible.
The primer is on. The repairs are sealed. The metal is protected.
The sill is smooth. The repair is invisible.
The frame is solid. The repairs are complete. The structure is restored. The frame is primed. It's protected. The structure is ready for paint.
We've made significant progress. The structure is sound. Phase 9 is on.
This section is next. The rust is surface only. We'll treat it with the converter and prime it.
The surface rust is primed. It's protected. The frame is solid.
The shell is secure. We can continue the restoration from any angle.
The driver's side sill is done. Both sills are solid now.
The floor pan is complete. It's solid. The driver and passenger sides are...
Phase 9 is complete. The shell is ready for paint. Tomorrow, we start the transformation. This is the transformation phase. The shell becomes a vehicle again. Today, we return it to olive drab, #33070. The wheel arch is complete. Both sides are done. The arches are solid. The interior is primed. The shell is fully protected. It's ready for the next. The booth is ready. The shell is positioned. We're ready for the color coat. The sealer is on. The shell has a uniform base for the color. The color is going on. Olive drab, #33070.
Passenger fender is done. The color matches perfectly. Driver fender is done. Both fenders match. The shell is coming.
The doors are done. They match the shell perfectly.
The grille is done. The face of the vehicle is restored.
98% of viewers watch but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
The paint is mixed. We're matching the original olive drab #33070 specification.
The hood is done. It looks exactly like the day it left the factory. Arthur's grandfather.
The tailgate is done. The emblem will be visible. The bumpers are done. The vehicle is coming together. The clear coat is on. The paint is protected. The color is now permanent.
The finish is clean. No haze, no scratches. The paint is ready for assembly.
The polish is bringing out the depth. The color is rich and deep.
The final polish is done. The paint is perfect. This is the color Arthur's grandfather chose.
This is the moment. The shell is restored. It's no longer a wreck. It's a vehicle again. Phase 10. It matches, exactly. Olive drab, #33070. The same color Arthur's grandfather chose. The door gaps are consistent. The repairs are true. The shell is straight.
The paint depth is consistent. The coverage is uniform. It's ready for assembly.
The finish is clean. No runs, no defects. Every panel is ready for the finish is clean. No runs, no defects. Every panel is ready. The hinges are aligned. The hood opens clean and closes flush. The finish is clean. No runs, no defects. Every panel is ready. The original plate goes back where it belongs. After everything this Jeep survived, this little piece of history is coming home. The original plate goes back where it belongs. After everything this Jeep survived, this little piece of history is coming home. One final inspection. No runs, no dust, no uneven edges. The finish is ready.
70 years.
and she's finally ready for the next 70. The color match is perfect. The paint is perfect. It's exactly what Arthur's grandfather would have wanted. The color is authentic, the finish is flawless. Phase 10 is complete. Let's review the paint quality. We'll check every panel, every surface. If there's any imperfection, we'll fix it now. We've done something extraordinary. The shell is restored, the color is perfect. This vehicle is coming back to life. Phase 10 is complete. Good work, everyone. Phase 11 starts now. The paint is finished. It's time to bring the vehicle back together. Phase 11 starts now. The shell is ready. It's time to bring the vehicle back together. 98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
Everything is disconnected. The engine is ready to come out. We'll attach the hoist and lift her.
Today we bring this engine back to life. This is the heart of the vehicle. We do it right, or we don't do it at all.
There she is, the heart of the engine. Everything is intact. The rocker arms are in good condition, no scoring on the shafts. We'll clean them and reinstall them.
Push rods are straight 9, no wear. We can reuse them. The valves are in good condition, no burning, no scoring. The seats are clean. We can rebuild this head with new guides and seals.
Piston 1 is out. The rings are seized, we'll replace them. But the piston itself is in good condition.
Crankshaft is going in. New bearings, new seals. This is the heart of the rebuild.
New rings are on. They're gapped correctly. This piston is ready to go back in. New gasket. The engine is sealed. Fuel line is connected. The fuel system is complete. The engine is ready for fuel. Today we cut out the rust and weld in new metal.
The firewall pass-through is ready. The grommet protects the harness from the metal. No wire gets damaged.
The engine bay wiring is in. Every circuit has its place. Now we'll connect the power and
the ignition circuit is connected. The switch is secure. We're one step closer to bringing the electrical system back to life. The generator and starter connections are secure. Power has a clear path through the engine bay. The starter is wired. The engine will crank. The first start is coming. The ignition coil is wired. The spark plugs will fire. The engine will... The lighting circuit is connected. The headlights, taillights, and blackout lights are all wired. The vehicle will be visible at night. The battery is connected. 6-volt, positive ground. The system is live.
The battery is connected. 6-volt, positive ground. The system is live. The headlight circuit is live. The voltage is correct. The circuit is good.
The horn works. The vehicle is road ready.
The electrical system is complete. Every circuit is tested. The system is ready. Phase 11.
98% of viewers watch, but don't subscribe. Be part of the 2%. Subscribe to Back 2 Road Garage.
The sound deadener is applied. The floor will be quieter, and the vehicle will feel...
The floor mat is in place. It fits perfectly, period correct, natural rubber. The seat frame is restored. It's solid, painted, and ready for the new canvas.
The dashboard is in. The gauges are connected. The driver will see everything.
The soft top frame is restored. The metal is solid, and the new canvas is ready.
The canvas is on. It's period correct, olive drab, military spec. The vehicle will be protected from the elements.
The soft top is installed. The vehicle is protected from the weather.
The driver will be protected from the sun.
The door latch works. The door is sealed. The vehicle is complete.
The interior is complete. It's period correct, comfortable, and ready for the driver.
Phase 12 is complete. The interior is done. Tomorrow, phase 13. Fuel pressure is 2.5 psi. The fuel pump is working. The carburetor has fuel. The tank is clean. The lines are new. The engine will get fuel.
The engine mounts are torqued. The engine is secure. She's not going anywhere.
The exhaust is aligned. Nothing is touching. Everything is exactly where it should be.
The battery is connected. The system is live. The engine will start.
All four wheels are on. The vehicle is about to stand on its own. This is the first time it's been on wheels. This is what we do. We bring vehicles back to life, we preserve history, and we do it right. Good.
The engine oil is in. The transmission fluid is in. The brake fluid is in. The vehicle is ready.
Let's check everything. Hood secure, doors aligned, bumpers tight, wheels torqued, engine fluids full. The vehicle is ready. There she is. The Go Devil is alive. 45 years of silence, and she's finally running.
We did it!
It looks absolutely perfect. Best one yet. She's finally done. Looks incredible. Great job, everyone. It took a lot of work, but the old girl is finally finished. A true family heirloom, ready for the next generation.